How to do blue comment on TikTok. So if you want to do blue comment on TikTok, like if you want to comment on some TikTok and if you want the blue text to be appeared, then open up your TikTok application. And once you open your TikTok application, now you can simply tap on the comments, and under your comment, here you may have blue comment, or if you don't have that, then you can swipe down and here you may have the blue comment, right? So here you will have how to use dumpling machine, which is on the blue ink or written with the blue ink. So if you want that blue comment on TikTok, then under your TikTok comment, or while writing a comment on TikTok, you should write a related content with the video, because if you don't have the related text or related content similar to the video, then your comment won't be blue. So if you want the blue comment, then simply type how to use dumpling machine. So that's how you can do a blue comment. So to do a blue comment, you need to enter a comment or type the comment which is related to the video. So that's how you can do a blue comment on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.